Sandy Hook Bay, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Raritan Bay, Upper New York Harbor. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 5:30 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mott Haven, East Tremont, RFK Bridge, Harlem, Riverdale, Co-op City, Woodlawn, Washington Heights and Fordham. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New York, Bronx and Manhattan. Strong thunderstorms approaching the waters. The areas affected in 2 feet. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Harlem or over Mott Haven and is nearly stationary. Additional storms were building to the south and west of the storm. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mott Haven, East Tremont, Ridgefield, Midtown Manhattan, Harlem, Riverdale, Colorado Op City, Fort Lee, Teterboro, Long Island City, Upper West Side, North Bergen, West New York, Cliffside Park, and Palisades Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 677, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in New York: Orange and Sullivan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 677.
So fix them up on the way home. Smile. Crest has you covered.
This is a test of the Lower Hudson Valley Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test of the Emergency Alert System is now concluded.
Optimum Complete combines Optimum Fiber Internet plus Optimum Mobile for one low price.